Certainly, here are 3 packing hacks to make travel less stressful. Roll your clothes. Instead of folding your clothes, try rolling them. This not only saves space in your luggage but also minimizes wrinkles. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are a fantastic way to keep your belongings organized. You can pack similar items together in separate cubes, making it easy to find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. Pack a travel essentials kit. Create a small kit containing your essential travel items, such as toiletries, medications, chargers, and travel documents. Keep this kit easily accessible in your carry-on bag or your suitcase's side pocket. This way, you can quickly grab what you need without having to dig through your luggage, reducing stress during security checks and layovers. Thanks for watching. Here's a quick recap of the video. 1. Roll your clothes. 2. Use packing cubes. 3. Pack a travel essentials kit. Book your next trip with happy fares and travel stress-free.